saves the firework bike. That was one long flight from Barkingburg. Okay, time to head home.
Welcome, stunt fans, to my most daring trick yet! A huge bike jump through a ring of fireworks! All right, stunt fans, let's roll! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa!
Wait a second. Did someone just shout for help? Who could...
Sorry, no brakes!
I'm coming, Danny!
That's Daring Danny X! And this is awesome! Uh-oh, not awesome! Whoa! Oh!
We need to buy a little time. If I can just give a nudge... Almost there!
Huh? Super extreme! Way to go, Skye!
Danny! That firework's gonna go off any second!
Whoa! Oh! Really not awesome!
This pup's gotta fly! Ruff! Claw!
Perfect landing! Thanks, Skye!
No problem. But next time, maybe don't add the fireworks, Danny.
You got it, Skye. And it's Daring Danny X! Paw Patrol to the rescue!